Hey there, amazing viewers. Welcome back to our channel. If you're looking for legit ways to make money online, you've come to the right place. Today, we are going to share with you 12 surefire methods to make money online, all completely legal and reliable. But before we dive in, make sure to hit that subscribe button below and click the notification bell so you won't miss any of our valuable content. Alright, let's get started. First up, we have freelancing. Many people are turning their skills into cash online. Whether you're a writer, graphic designer, or programmer, platforms like Upwork and Fiverr can connect you with clients looking for your talents. For example, some people started freelancing as content writers and now make a comfortable living working from home. Next, we have affiliate marketing. By promoting products or services and earning a commission on sales, you can create a sustainable income stream. You can review tech products on YouTube channel and include affiliate links in your video descriptions. By so doing, you are able to turn your passion into profits. If you are a certified fitness trainer, you can start offering online fitness courses. In the process, you can have thousands of students worldwide and a thriving online business. Interested in investing? Stock trading is a popular option. Start by learning the basics and make informed decisions. You can begin trading stocks on part-time, and then over the years, grow your portfolio significantly, all while maintaining a day job. Another method is dropshipping. You can set up an online store and sell products without holding inventory. Your suppliers handle shipping. Blogging remains a powerful way to make money online. Share your passion, monetize your blog with ads and affiliate marketing, and watch your income grow. For example, you can turn your love for travel into a travel blog. By so doing, you can live a dream, exploring the world, and funding your adventures through your blog. For those looking for smaller, steady income streams, online surveys can be a good option. Companies pay for your opinions. Virtual assistance is in high demand. If you're organized and tech-savvy, offer your services to busy professionals and entrepreneurs. We got more details on this in our other video found on this channel. We have got a video on this channel that talks about growing your YouTube platform. So kindly check it out. Consider writing and self-publishing ebooks on platforms like Amazon Kindle. Your creativity can turn into a passive income source. Real estate crowdfunding allows you to invest in properties without buying them outright. It's a hands-off approach to real estate investing. You can join a real estate crowdfunding platform and diversify your investment portfolio, and start earning consistent returns. Finally, if you have coding skills, consider app development. Create an app that solves a problem, and it could generate substantial revenue. There you have it, 12 surefire methods to make money online legally. Remember, success takes time and effort, so be persistent and keep learning. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, subscribe to our channel, and click the notification bell so you never miss another valuable video from us. Also, check the link in the description for additional resources and tips or how to get started on one of these methods. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more valuable tips and strategies on making money online. Disclaimer: the information provided in this video is for educational purposes only and should not be taken as financial or legal advice. Do your research and consider seeking professional advice. Results may vary, and there are no guarantees of income. Thank you for watching, and we appreciate your support. Make sure to like this video and share it with others who might benefit from it. We'll see you in the next video.